Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. I found the best keyword research tool and I'm so happy to share it with you guys. So I've been using merchant words for so long, and Jungle Scout put this out several months ago, but I've never really taken full advantage of it. And as you guys know, or if you don't know, I just literally started manufacturing my third product and now making the listing. Started doing it last night and I was like, okay, obviously Amazon is a search-based e-commerce store. Customers come to Amazon with a product in mind, and if you don't have the right keywords, you're never going to show up for all of the possibilities that people are going to be typing in. So what we're going to do is I'm going to send you over to the screen now and check this out. So you guys probably recognize this site, at least. Use it all the time. It's Jungle Scout. And you see me using this all the time. Now, I thought just this alone was worth the $40 a month. And if you don't have Jungle Scout already, go ahead and grab it. It'll be the first link in the description. If you guys, I give you guys all my free course level information. I'm never going to charge you a dime for a video or a course. So if you want to support me, it's a great way. You could pick up Jungle Scout through my link. That's pretty much the only way that you guys could give me money. So if we go down to this part, keywords, Keyword Scout, this is like literally the coolest tool ever. So what makes this specifically so amazing is if we put in a keyword, it's not just like, for instance, in merchant words, if you put in, Candlemaker, it's going to show you Candlemaker stainless steel, Candlemaker wax, Candlemaker. Every single word is going to have Candlemaker in it because that's the word that you put in. This is actually intelligent enough to know that if I put in Candlemaker, look at what happens. It's going to generate beeswax, candle wax, soy wax, beeswax pellets. That's completely different than this, but it's something that has 12,000 searches, exact match search. And what makes this so cool, this is straight from Amazon, you guys. Merchant words is often, well, not often, it is an estimation based on things like what Google says that has that number of searches, what Bing searches shows up. Amazon's a lot different than those sites. So like if the buying intent of someone on Amazon is a lot different than someone on Google. So someone could search that in Google looking for a picture of one or how it works, and they're going to count that as a search result for this. But in reality, that wasn't even that good of a word. It only has 557 searches per month. But like, look at this. Candle making supplies has 17,000 searches per month. So that you would want to be your main keyword. And what we could do is also, look at this. This is like the money right here. Candle maker. Okay, so you'd grab the winning one, the one that is doing the best, obviously, and check this out. So if we grab this guy's ASIN, you could take an ASIN of your competitor and it'll show you all of the words they're ranking for. This like blew me away. I did not know you could do this. I was just finally looking into this tool and I was like, this is the best thing ever. I have to make a video about this right away. Look at that. This is the exact listing. He's ranking for 347 keywords, which is actually really impressive. So look, candle making supplies, just like we said, 17,000 searches per month. That's the #1 keyword he's ranking for. So you would want to search or have that be the first thing in your title, realistically. Now what you could do is we'll take this, we'll export this as a CSV. And what we'll do is we'll also put candle making supplies. And you can make a master list out of these and then go to word counter and see what the most important ones are. So we'll grab this and then we'll go to Sheets. You can use Excel, but I find myself just using Sheets all the time now. Check this out. So what we're going to do is you go File, Import, and we'll just grab this guy. I'll put it on my desktop so I know where it is. Oh no, you can just go like that. Beautiful. And then that's going to open that up. Insert new sheet. Cool. And then what we could do is import the other one as well. So the ASIN one, which is this one, gotta go like that. beet juice. If you were wondering, looks like something weird. Probably all over my lips. Look like a vampire. So look, search terms, that was the ASIN. So this is everything that the #1 listing is ranking for. And you can do this with like 3 ASINs, like the top 3 ASINs and the top keyword. So what we'll do is we'll go like this, and this is candle making supplies. It says it right here. What you're gonna do is grab all of these keywords, copy those, and if you go to word counter, yeah, word counter, is it that one? No, I think it's wordcounter.io. Nope, it's not that one. Wordcounter.com. Perfect. Is it that one? I think it is this one. I forget which one I was using. Okay, yeah, this is the one. And then we're gonna go to the one with the ASIN right here and grab all of those keywords as well. Now he actually has more, he has 300 something, right? Yep. Okay. See, and then you're gonna just plop those on the next line down. If you hit go here, so you could see the frequency that these words are popping up. Now, what does this tell us? So we might have thought Candlemaker was the most important keyword, but look, maker is actually way down here and it only shows up 18 times. These 3 words right here show up almost 300 times, 200 times, 133 times, 94 times. So what you would want to do is build your, look at that, even that misspelling right there shows up 60 times. So what you would want to do is make your title the most important part for keywords out of this top area here. So maybe candle making kit. That would be candle making kit, and then the next word would be wax. So, I guess I gotta charge this guy. That's funny. Let me, give me 1 second here. Alright, this might look a little weird, but this is how we're gonna have to do it. So you'd wanna make your title, we go right in here, you just type it up here. I'll usually do something like this. This is literally how I did it, just on the same one. Title, you'd want it to be like candle, wow, that's weird. Making kit. Is that what we said was the best? Yeah, candle make kit, candle making kit, and then wax would be next. So you'd have like wax, wick, maybe like wax wick, soy. So you would just want to make your title make sense, but using all of these keywords. And then these are also going to be the keywords, the ones that you don't get in your title. So you fill up your title with all these, but you want all of these to appear somewhere else in the. So this one actually doesn't have this many. When I did this for my product that I'm launching, there was like down to like here with keywords. So there's a lot more. But yeah, here's all of them. So you would make your title of the most important ones, and then say anything with like. For some reason there's not even showing any that have 1 or 2. This is a different word counter than I was using. That's the problem. I don't know which one I was using. I do something like that. Yeah, it looked different, but any word counter will work. And what you want to, you essentially build your title out of, so your title is the most important part for keywords, and never put your personal brand right at the front. Like if we were called like bee candles or something, candles. Don't put that there. That has no searches, you guys. So you don't want your brand in front of that, because Amazon thinks that's the most important search term. No, that is not the most important. Put that at the end of the title or in your description. You want that candle making kit to be the first thing in your title, and then everything that didn't make it into the title. And think about this, these are all keywords that you could put directly into your PPC. So these are exact phrase matches that you would want to run. So exact match search 16,000. Candle making supplies is definitely something that you would want as a PPC bid. You would want candle making kit, probably not soap making kit, candle making, soy candle making kit, beeswax candle making kit. You would want to bid on all of those words. Now if we go over here, check this out, it actually shows you the PPC bid. Like, this just keeps getting better. Look, exact match PPC bid is 87%, or 87 cents, I mean, I don't know why I said percent. Broad match is going to be 60 cents, and then ease to rank, the higher, the better. And it gives you an estimated giveaway. You should be selling 36 a day for a week or two to get ranked on page 1, spot 1. For, let's see, candle making kit, you should only give away 25 a day for however long. And then candle making is a little bit more competitive. That's like a broad thing, but this is just ridiculous. And you could put anything in here now. Let's do like, I don't know. I wish I had a chat with you guys so you guys give me ideas here. Let's just do something like everyone knows. So like if we did like garlic press, probably has a lot of monthly searches. Yeah, 35,000. But look, garlic mincer, like that's different than garlic press. Garlic chopper, like those are things you wouldn't think to put in there. Garlic keeper, it's definitely a little bit different, but something you might be able to rank for. Garlic rocker, like these are some things you would never type in, but you could bid on these, and they're good long tail keywords. Good to put them in your listing to get ranked for keywords. Something else you could do, like if we grab this ASIN right here, this is how you can tell if you're ranking for a keyword. If you paste the ASIN and then put like Candlemaker. So Candlemaker is something they're ranking for. If we put like ironing board, nothing's going to show up. I see 0 results for that ASIN plus ironing board. So if your product comes up when you do any keyword after your ASIN, that means that you are ranking for that keyword, and Amazon knows that that keyword is associated with your product. Now if we put candle in there, it's going to pop up because they are ranking for candle. If we put candle supplies, not suppliers, supplies, it's going to pop up because they're ranking for that keyword. So if you guys ever want to know, like, hey, I don't even know if my product's going to show up for this listing, I can't find it when I put it in, put in your ASIN and then that, and then you are ranking for it. And they're actually bidding on that word. If you look at that, candle supplies they're bidding on, that's probably broad match. So I just wanted to share that with you guys really quick. Thanks for joining in. Like I said, if you don't have this already, not only can you do your product research through it, which is literally the most important thing about Amazon, you could go to keywords, keyword scout, and literally build your listing like how a millionaire Amazon seller would build a listing, finding the exact match volumes and different keywords than what you put in there. For instance, everyone's not going to search candle maker and then something after it. They might search garlic, oh, that's a totally different example, but candle making supplies is different than candle maker, and I would have never thought of that. So such a useful tool. You could actually see your HSA bid as well. If we put something super competitive in here, you'll see the exact match bid is like, look at that, $35. That's an insane bid. So you would not want to launch into something like that. So you could actually figure out before you even launch a product if you're going to be able to afford PPC, which is awesome. So if you only have a $10 profit margin, you can't afford to spend $35 on PPC every click unless you have like $100,000 to launch into that product. So hope you guys enjoyed. As always, be sure to subscribe and like if you got any value out of this, and I obviously will reply to all the comments. So appreciate all you guys. See you next video.